and welcome to Be My Guest, the program which brings you successful stories of entrepreneurs and organizations in both domestic and international arenas. I'm Sarosha Ratanapian. And as robot and automatic system has been increasingly vital in the country's economic and industrial developments. In this episode of Be My Guest, I would like to introduce you an event which was organized in 2016 to stimulate engineering students from all parts of Thailand to invent robots. Okay, and this is the Robot Design Contest 2016. And currently I am with Dr. Surat Kwanmung, the lecturer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University. And Kun Piapong Premwaran, the Senior Executive for Automotive Lab of MTech, National Science and Technology Development Agency. Swadika.
Swadika.
So first of all, for a start, could you introduce yourself to our fans and be my guest?
My name is Dr. Surat Kwanmung. I am the head of Robot Competition 2016 here. I'm a lecturer in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Chulalongkorn University.
My name is Piyapong Premalanon. I'm Senior Engineering from National Metals and Material Technology Center or MTech.
Okay, so the MTech is under the National Technology and also Science Research Institute, okay, of Thailand. And the focus of our interview today would be about the Robot Design Contest 2016. So what is it actually?
Robot Design Competition 2016 here. This is the ninth time that we held the competition in national level. So maybe you can talk about the background of the project.
Okay, for the background of this project, we have to look back in 2007. Thailand successfully hosted and joined for the first time the IDC Robocon 2007 during the National Science Week at Biotech Bang Na. The events had added the name of Thailand to the existing 7 member countries, namely Japan, USA, Germany, UK, France, Brazil, and South Korea. To continue its success in a robot design contest, Thailand has organized its first national robot contest named the Robot Design Contest in 2008. The National Metal and Materials Technology Center or MTech, under the supervision of the National Science and Technology Development Agency or NASDA, the Ministry of Science and Technology cooperated with Chulalongkorn University to organize the first Thailand Robot Design Contest RDC in 2008 in order to make Thai students ready for the next Robocon contest. The Robot Design Contest RDC has continuously been organized by using the same concept and criteria as those of IDC Robocon.
Okay.
For the past 9 years, the MTech joined hands with Chulalongkorn University, Chiang Mai University, Sulanari University of Technology, and Prince Songkhla University in organizing the regional RDC to encourage both university and vocational students to join the activity. For the objective, I have Dr.
So the objective of the project, actually there are two themes. One is the students. So we would like to build the next generation of students in robotic field in hope that in the future we can extend it to other fields. For example, like agriculture, medicals, but they all start in robotics first. The second theme was the opportunities. We want to extend the opportunities for students all over Thailand to be able to get into the competitions
I see.
equally
Okay.
whenever they are.
Okay, so it's the opportunity for engineering students in Thailand, and in the meantime, so you encourage the building of robot, I would say, okay, in order to stimulate maybe the economy and also different fields, okay, of knowledge here. So when we talk about the robot design, so what robot design is?
What robot design is? Basically, student was given a problem. It can be a competition or it can be a scenarios. In this case, is a competition problems, and they have a limited amount of time and limited amount of resources to solve that problem. By doing so, they build a robot.
Okay, in order
so
to
that's
address
the robot
problem.
design.
Okay, so that means the creation of robot is to address and to solve any problems that occur. And in this case, you have a problem in terms of the limited time and limited number of materials.
Yes.
Okay, I see. The next question will be the main target then for this competition. So who are they?
The target for this competition is undergrad students, mainly in first year and second year students, in engineering students. They can be in mechanical, electrical, computer science. It can be any engineering related degrees. The reason why they are first and second year students, because in the third year they usually went to internship, and for the fourth year they graduated already. So for this competition, they are usually first and second year students.
Okay, so what would be the advantage of mixing students of different backgrounds of engineering, in this competition?
Oh, that's really nice question. Yeah. So one of the uniqueness of the RDC competition is that on the first day, student gets into the competition. We mix them up together. By mixing, it means we draw a random grouping. We group them into 15 groups of 4 or 5 students from different backgrounds and from different university and from different regions. So there are no students from the same university in same group.
Okay, so it's one of the highlights
Yes.
of this contest. So is there any other highlights when we talk about the Robot Design Contest 2016?
The highlight for this year, the theme of the competition is Robot for Society. So now then we talk what society that we are interested in. This year we interested in society of the disabled. That's why the theme of this year is for the blinds. Let me talk a little bit about why is the blinds, because in the coming year, in the coming semester, for the Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University, we're gonna have first in the history of blind student admitted to the university. So there's a lot of adjustment that we need to do, and a lot of challenges for the students and for the faculties that has to be overcome.
Okay.
So we want to honor the students, the willingness of the student that they surpass the obstacles to be able to admit it here.
Okay, and it's also the competitors, devotion in order to create something better, to the blind as well, through robot design. And talking about the roles of MTech and Chulalongkorn University in the robot design contest, so what are they?
Okay, for the role of MTech, as the mission of MTech and NASDA, which are research and development, technology transfer, human resources development, infrastructure development. The major role of MTech in RDC is to provide Thai students with an opportunity to learn more from the activity outside the classes, to develop their ideas, abilities, and skills, and be able to put their knowledge and skill into use through the robot design contest, and finally through further research projects that will lead to the manufacture of robots for industrial and commercial purposes.
Okay, I see. Now, what about the roles of Chulalongkorn?
Chulalongkorn University, obviously we are in education section, right? So we're an educator, and we are also an innovator. So we would like to build the next generation of students that not only have technical knowledge, but also highly innovative as well.
I see.
So we found out that in order to do that, the best way for students to learn something is to doing it themselves. So in this competition, we try to do that thing like as a small demonstration
I see.
by letting the students to build the robot themselves and learn something. We hope that we can scale it up to the big scale, so that in the future we can have the Thai society can be an innovative society. This is
okay.
our goal of the university.
Okay, so innovation, what you said, is very important.
Yeah.
Creativity is very important. It's not, and also the learning by doing process is important. And all of these, skill can be learned, in the robot design contest 2016. So that is a very interesting idea, of setting up and forming, the contest this year. And the last question for this break will be about the number of institutes, in RDC 2016, and also number of students who join the program.
Okay, in this year we have 72 students from 22 academic institutes to join us in RDC 2016.
Okay, so all in all, you have around 72 people and students joining. So how many teams in total you have?
We have 15 teams competition to each other.
I see, okay. And how you set up the team, can you stress and emphasize on that again?
We randomly assign them into groups of 4 or 5 people. By randomly assigned, it's not like through random. Actually, we try to assign. We use the same rules as the international robot contest. Is that no 2 students in the same team that come from the same university and in the same region, and also in the international competition, no same student from the same country as well.
Okay.
So that's why. So we have a good mixture of students in the team, in hope that they can create something interesting idea.
Okay, and through the competition after it has passed, so what are your impression, towards that working skill or team working skills?
Wow, that's by mixing students from different backgrounds together. We saw a couple of interesting ideas. I would say that is much for me. It feels like you are baking something new. You have different ingredients and then you try to mix up together. In some groups, it turns out to be not that quite good, but in some groups, they turn out to be excellent. You get a new recipe. This is what I feel for the competition.
Okay, and all of them are all the new inventors and young inventors of Thailand. Okay, but for now it's time for a short break. We're right back and we'll learn more on its contribution to the society and also the international contest, which is going to occur soon in the international arena. So please stay tuned and be my guest.